Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Matt Gris from the Law Faculty, and I'm here today to tell you that access to justice is in danger. In December, I found myself in a very peculiar situation. My auntie was going through a very, very tough breakdown, and the custody, child arrangement, and divorce were very, very hard for her to go through. She had no legal knowledge, no legal background whatsoever, so it was needless to say that this was very, very, very hard for her to do. Now, what's the problem? People go through divorce every single day. What changed? Well, what changed is that in 2012, the Sentencing and Punishment Act came into force. And what it did was to withdraw legal aid from most family situations, employment situation, rent and debt act, but it most especially affected families. Now, access to justice in family situations will be available in very, very rare and degrading situations. So what did I do at that point? I helped her. I helped her through the whole process, helped her with legal information, helped her to find out what was necessary, helped her to fill out all the difficult forms that if you were not a lawyer, you'd have no clue of how to fill in. Now, I know I'm still in my final year, but as soon as I helped her out and the case was successful, I realized that many, many more people must be suffering from the same problem. Well, I went on the internet, did some research, and discovered that the UK government reports that 66,000 people defended themselves in court without a lawyer last year. So what did I do at this point? I decided to make it my own point of duty to make sure that whoever was going through the same situation had affordable access to justice. What's given now at the moment is just a guide on the internet, and expect people to just learn, become lawyers overnight, and be able to solve the situation. What we do is to provide affordable access to justice by simply giving people tutorials, online tutorials and on-site tutorials. As soon as this came into my mind, as soon as I had this initiative, I went to Professor Janabar, specialized in family law in the university, and Professor Caroline Derry, specialized in advocacy, both to teach the content that is needed for a court case, both to teach what is needed, how to address judges, and how to talk in a court of law. Now, this initiative aims to be the beginning of a new and social movement that will empower people and give them the power, the knowledge, and the strength to fight for their rights. I hope I've been exhaustive in my explanation. In case there's anything else you want to know, feel free to contact me, and thank you very much for the opportunity.